Welcome to this quick start guide on using MarkzPortal, the powerful PDF and desktop publishing DTP file converter from us, Markzware. First, log into your MarkzPortal account on MarkzPortal.markzware.com. Sign up and basic usage is totally free. The actual file conversions require a paid-for subscription. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for a monthly or yearly subscription. Okay, so let's log in. So now that you've created an account and you're logged in, head on over to the subscription section over on the far left here. Just click down below on the Purchase a Subscription. Just choose a plan that suits you. You'll notice that there's PDF only and PDF plus open file formats like InDesign or QuarkXPress, etc. I'm now on PDF, which includes Adobe Illustrator only. Just find the plan that suits you and click Start Now. Now fill in the form and activate your subscription. After subscribing, head back to the home page by clicking the icon up top or just going to MarkzPortal.markzware.com again. Now just drag a file, whether it's a PDF of any kind, from Word to Canva to InDesign, etc., or a native InDesign file, or QuarkXPress, or what have you, into the designated area. Look at that. Your file will open in preview mode, allowing you to check its design and layout. Note the preview is not 100% how your file may look, or not always 100% indicative of how your file will convert. But it gives you a good idea of what you're converting, what it is, and if you have multiple pages, you can scroll through them. Now choose your desired export format. Options include, of course, all the main DTP files we support, but also IDML, PDF, and a host of image formats. There's even a way to export the text stories, including RTF, HTML, but also export for AI. In this case, we're choosing IDML. Click the Convert button to start the conversion process. Once the conversion is complete, you'll get the preview back again. You can now click Download to get your file. You'll be notified when the download is complete. Double-click the downloaded file, extract it. You can open up the IDML in this case in your preferred application, for instance, in Affinity Publisher or Adobe InDesign. You'll notice you'll get all the images extracted at resolution used. And there we have it, opened right up in the application we want to use that PDF in now. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was interesting to you, please share with your colleagues. This really helps us. Post on LinkedIn or share on Facebook, whatever works for you. And don't forget to follow Markzware over on social media, at Markzware in most cases. For more information, visit Markzware.com or simply email us on sales@Markzware.com. Thank you. Have a great day and happy converting.